Breaking news tonight, live Orlando. A gorgeous mom of three fights it out on People's Court over a luxury diamond engagement ring. Her stormy relationship with her ex plays out in front of millions of people. Just hours later, she's gone, vanishing without a trace. Her black Hummer found at a complex just down from her own home. Decals carefully scraped off the SUV windows. Police desperately tracking mommy's iPhone and fielding tips on a diamond cross necklace she's wearing the day she disappears. Bombshell tonight. A body fished out of a nearby lake. Is it related? And in the last hours, an armed SWAT team, CSI, and canines pull a nighttime raid at the ex's family home with the father-in-law put in cuffs. This as reports the young mom caught on surveillance driving just 1 hour before a mystery text. And mommy's final words captured on voicemail to her dad. We have the audio, and tonight we uncovered the last so-called ping on mommy's phone, 8 p.m. Then mommy's cell phone powered down for good. Her family says no way would she ever leave her children behind, including a 3-year-old set of twins, boy and girl. Never. Tonight, where's missing mom, Michelle? Joining us exclusively tonight in prime time, this is Michelle's mother. Miss Stewart, thank you for being with us.
Hey, Nancy, thank you for giving us the opportunity to keep Michelle's face out there.
Your daughter
No.
is a real go-getter. I mean, she has these children. She has a job. She has started her own business with her spray tan. And speaking of a spray tan, Miss Stewart, isn't it true that on her Hummer, her black Hummer, she had these big decals that advertised her business, did she not?
Yes, she did. It was very distinctive. Nobody.
What did the decals say?
It said glow in huge letters, and the letters kind of looked like diamonds. And it said mobile airbrush tanning.
Hey, Liz, take that shot in full, please, because I want to talk to Yvonne Stewart. Everybody taking your calls is Michelle's mom. When the Hummer was found in a condo complex not too far from her home, someone had very carefully removed these decals from the Hummer. She's been called the People's Court mom because literally just minutes before she goes missing, her segment on People's Court aired where she fights it out with her ex over a luxury diamond engagement ring. Out to Steve Kardian, former police detective, self-defense expert, lead instructor at Defend University. Steve, weigh in.
Nancy, we see that the purse was left behind in the car. So we know it's not a robbery. We couple that with the violent past that they had. We couple that men are, one of the most biggest fears that they have is being embarrassed in front of other men. That's accomplished too. And we see that 2/3 of the women that are killed in the United States are killed by their significant others. So I think that's going to lead us right down the path to find out who kidnapped her and not carjacked her.
You know, and another interesting part, Steve Kardian, is that whoever did this took the time to scrape those giant decals off. Let's see them again, Liz, off the back of her Hummer. What about that, Steve? What carjacker, what random carjacker would take the time to do that?
No random carjacker would take the time to do that. As Pat Brown said earlier, it likely signifies that, in fact, it is someone she knows.
Because, you know, Steve, the reality is you carjack a car and you grab a woman out of the car. Who's going to take time to go over and try to scrape a decal off? Are you kidding me? That's not a random carjack.
It's not a random carjacking at all. It's a kidnapping, Nancy.